Welcome to A Pen and a Plan. I'm Heather, and I'm really excited to plan with you today in my Passion Planner. We're going to set up my March monthly and make it all green and St. Patrick's Day and fun, and I'm super excited to set up March and get it all ready to go. So let's go plan. So today we're going to plan in my Passion Planner, and we're going to get March set up for the monthly spread, which I log all the big memories throughout the month. So we're going to use a kit by Planning by Shannon, and I'm really excited about this kit because it's green. I like that it's St. Patrick's Day because that's why I chose green for March anyway. So we're going to start by picking some washi tape to go with it. I want to bring out some of the yellow because that's the lucky stuff. It's the coins and the horseshoes, and so I want to bring that out a little bit for some fun. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to add some yellow washi on the top to add a pop of color to go. So now that we have my washi tape on the top, we're going to go ahead and fill in these gray boxes with some of the stickers from add some green quote stickers over here, so I'm going to add some yellow washi to balance it out a little bit. Now that we have that washi tape placed over here, we're going to go ahead and fill in the middle. We're going to cover these black boxes with the shamrock sticker here, and I'm just going to trim it with my slicer tool. In my sticker book here, I'm going to look at my green stickers to look for some quote stickers to use. So I'm going to use this sticker. It says positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. And I know it's a little on the big side, but that's okay. We're gonna just go ahead and throw it in here anyway. I'm going to add some more washi tape here on the bottom to fill this space, and then I'm going to add some decorative stickers to the spread to help finish it up. So I'm going to go ahead and get this washi tape placed. The washi tape is all placed. We're going to go ahead and place some fun decorational stickers. So I have a few different ones. So I have these cute critter St. Patrick's Day stickers from Planning by Shannon, and then I have these super fun glittery shamrocks that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I thought these would add some super fun pizzazz into this spread. So I'm going to start by placing some fun shamrocks on here, and then I'm going to add the little critters into the shamrock field to have some fun with that. So I'm just going to go ahead and get these placed here. So now that the shamrocks are placed fun and glittery and everywhere, we're going to go ahead and place these fun cute critters just kind of scattered throughout the fun shamrock fields. So that's super fun. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and just trim the washi off the edges of the paper here. I love the little critters in the glittery shamrock field. Glitter just makes me so happy. Thanks for planning with me today. I had a lot of fun setting up my March monthly spread in my passion planner and adding all the glitter and pizzazz and fun, and I can't wait to fill it in with some memories throughout the month. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel and continue to plan with me. Happy planning!